Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. Hope you are all right, you are safe, you are taking proper care of yourself. In this video, I have brought an exclusive information about a university that offers 25% discount to women students. Yes, this university also offers the admission as well as the education from online mode, that is distance mode, so that you do not need to visit the university or college to take the education, to attend the classes. You have to read right from your home. The name of the university is Nalanda Open University. In short, it is called as NUU. It is a university of Bihar government and it is affiliated by UGC, recognized by UGC. The university has issued the notification for admission in various courses at intermediate level, undergraduate level, postgraduate level, as well as some courses, PG diploma courses, certificate courses. In the video, I am going to share the details with you. So watch the video carefully.
Please like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification.
You can see the advertisement of Nalanda Open University in English here. Nalanda Open University, important information, women candidates get 25% discount, 25% concession is given in all programs except PhD. Education for jail in bracket prison inmates is free. Details for the programs for session 2020-21. PhD programs is being offered in economics, education, geography, Hindi, history, political science, psychology, sociology, Urdu, botany, mathematics, chemistry, physics, zoology and commerce subjects only. Suspended till further orders. Filhal. Eligibility criteria: postgraduate degree in concerned subject with at least 55% of marks plus eligibility test. Duration 2 years to 4 years. Course fee to 20,000. Medium of instruction Hindi or English. SLM developed by not applicable. Program: postgraduate programs, eligibility criteria, minimum age for admission, duration of the program, course fee per year except PhD programs where the fees is for entire duration of the program. For male, for female, medium of instruction, SLM developed by. We are starting with postgraduate programs, art stream, MA Bhojpuri kept in abeyance. You can see the details here. MA Economics, MA Education, MA English kept in abeyance, MA Environmental Science. MA Geography, MA Hindi, MA History, MA Home Science, MA in Madhi kept in abeyance, MA in Mathili kept in abeyance, MA Mathematics, MA Political Science, MA Psychology, MA Public Administration, MA Rural Development, MA Sanskrit, MA Sociology, MA Urdu. Science stream: MSc Botany, MSc Chemistry, MSc Environmental Science, MSc Geography, MSc Home Science, MSc Mathematics, MSc Physics, MSc Zoology. MCom Media stream, Mass Communication and Journalism, MJMC. Computer Science stream, Master of Computer Application, MCA. Library Science stream, Master of Library and Information Science, MLIS. PG Diploma programs, Art stream, Postgraduate Diploma in Financial Management, Hindi English Translation, Human Resource Development, Information and Public Relations, Journalism and Mass Communication, Marketing Management, Yogic Studies, Teacher Education Programs, Bachelor of Education only for in-service teachers, Library and Information Science Program, Bachelor of Library and Information Science playlist, Graduate Degree Programs, Art stream. BA Honors in Economics, Education, Geography, Hindi, History, Home Science, Journalism, Political Science, Psychology, Public Administration, Sociology, Social Work, Tourism, Statistics, Yoga, Urdu, Science stream, Botany, Chemistry, Geography, Home Science, Mathematics, Physics, Statistics. BSc Honors in Yoga, Zoology, Commerce stream, BCom Honors, Bachelor in Business Administration, Computer Education Program, Bachelor in Computer Application, Intermediate Programs, Arts, Science, Commerce. certificate programs, agriculture based certificate courses, certificate in biofertilizer production, floriculture technology, medicinal and aromatic plants, soil health management, artificial insemination and minor veterinary service, child and women development related certificate courses, abolition of child labor, child psychology and guidance, child and women's rights, legal awareness among women, nutrition and child care, health and environment related certificate courses, certificate in environmental studies, food and nutrition, health and environment, HIV and family education, paramedical courses, certificate in basic medical assistant and nursing care, certificate in clinical dental technique, dental mechanic, dental and oral hygiene, ECG technique, medical laboratory technique, optometry and ophthalmic assistant, operation theatre assistantship, physiotherapy and yoga therapy, radiography and imaging technique. Language based certificate courses, Bhojpuri language, Maghi language, Maithili language, Pali language, Prakritic language, Sanskrit language, Urdu language. Regional based certificate courses, Buddhist studies, Christian studies, Hindu studies, Islamic studies, Jain studies, Sikh studies. Then computer based miscellaneous certificate courses, certificate in information technology, disaster management, home usages of computer, Indian constitution and Panchayati Raj, insurance services, library information science, interior decoration, computer network administration. Certificate courses Hindi English translation. You may visit the website of university www.nalandaopenuniversity.cloudhostdns.net home for online application, online admission. You can see when you will log in, you can see this page: admission advertisement 2020-20, online admission procedure, programs and fee details for session 2020-21, list of study centers of Nalanda Open University. You can get all the details here. For new admission, you have to click this tab, and after clicking this tab, you can log in to apply for the admission or take admission online. I hope this video was useful for you. This video was very beneficial for you. If you like this video, kindly like it. Don't forget to ask your question. You're giving your comment in the comment box below. I am going to share the schedule of the admission as well as the fee, the PDF link of the document in the description of this video. I am also going to share the link of the admission notification in the description of this video. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. Stay home, stay safe. All the best for your career.